Did you know banks use your money to invest and make capital with minimal interest to you? Why not use your own savings to invest and see returns up to 20% with a Roth IRA? Hello, I am Robert Rodriguez, and today I will be persuading you to start investing into a Roth individual retirement account based on my experience and the research I have done. Persuading my audience to invest into a Roth IRA, I will discuss the hands-free investment, the financial gain strategies, and why to choose a Roth over a traditional IRA. First, like a savings account, a Roth IRA can be a hands-free investment. It can be very similar to a savings account, although there are limits on how much one can invest into a Roth. These factors depend on age and income. According to the article, Roth IRAs, published on the website pensionrights.org for 2019, the contribution maximum is $6,000, $7,000 if you are at least 50 years of age, or 100% of employment compensation, whichever one is less. The same article also states that an individual must earn less than $122,000 to make full contributions and less than $137,000 to make reduced contributions. Hopefully, like a savings account, you plan on leaving your funds to sit and generate income from returns or interest. Unlike a savings account, there are fees if funds are withdrawn too early. You must have the account for at least 5 years or be over 59 and a half to withdraw funds without penalty. In the excerpt, Roth IRAs Rock from Kiplinger's Personal Finance Magazine, 2018, they state the example that if you contributed the maximum to a Roth for each of the past 20 years, you would have $200,000 in tax-free savings, assuming you invested in a fund that tracks the S&P 500 and reinvested the dividends. Now that is a savings plan. Now that I have covered Roth IRA hands-free investing, I will now discuss the financial gain strategies and why to choose a Roth over a traditional IRA. Second, let's go over some financial gain strategies. If you do not like the idea of actively investing in stocks, use an individual retirement account, an IRA, to spread your investments into different allocations with target date funds or robo-advisors. Target date funds are investment plans that do not mature until a specified date. They divide allocations into stocks and bonds. The further the date, the more the plan for growth with riskier allocations. Stocks are known as riskier allocations because they grow and drop dramatically. Bonds are less risky, but you only see a modest growth. The further the target date, the longer the allocations can go into riskier stock investments. The closer the fund is to maturity, the more allocations will be put into stable bonds to prevent loss. Robo-advisors are from large banks, and they manage your portfolio for an annual management fee. The fee is relatively low, but fees can add up with other investment fees. It is also important to minimize fees and increase investments. The robo-advisor from the company will build and manage a portfolio for you based on age, risk acceptance, and portfolio goals. Now that I have discussed the hands-free investing and investing strategies, I will go over why to choose a Roth IRA over a traditional IRA. Lastly, let's cover why I recommend a Roth over a traditional individual retirement account. If you plan on increasing your current income and moving up tax brackets, a Roth IRA is for you. Taxes are paid on contributions to a Roth IRA from your current income tax bracket. With a traditional IRA, taxes are paid when you withdraw from your portfolio. The excerpt To Roth or Not to Roth, republished by the American Urological Association News, 2010. They reinforce the idea that you should consider a Roth conversion if you think your tax rate will be higher or the same when you make withdrawals in retirement. I would like to think everyone plans to move up a tax bracket if they can. The biggest reason I suggest a Roth over a traditional IRA is how taxes are paid on contributions. For a Roth IRA, taxes are paid upfront on contributions from your current income tax bracket. With a traditional IRA, you pay taxes when you withdraw money. The article, Rehabilitating Frankenstein's Monster, Repairing the Public Policy of the Roth IRA, published in the Albany Law Review 2016, goes over that bonus. It says, Roth IRA owners owe income tax for the initial year of the contribution or conversion. The principal, and furthermore, is tax-free. So when you withdraw your money, you will not pay any taxes on that money. A Roth IRA can be passed on as inheritance, and beneficiaries collect the funds tax-free since taxes have already been paid. The article, Roth IRA Conversions, Benefits and Planning Opportunities, published in the Florida Bar Journal, 2009, states that taking distributions over the designated beneficiary's lifetime will allow the IRA to continue to grow tax-free. For a traditional IRA, the designated beneficiary will be required to include distributions received into his or her income. My purpose today has been to persuade you to invest into a Roth IRA for your future savings. In doing so, I have covered the hands-free investment, the financial gain strategies, and why to choose a Roth over a traditional IRA. I have covered a lot of information that should help you make an educated decision on why you should invest into a Roth IRA and many of the benefits it can have on your life. Hopefully you too can save and invest wisely. In conclusion, make your money work for you. Thank you.